don't get another mic. Look out for that. Hello. All right, I like this one. So, welcome everyone to our first inaugural meeting for the Control-Alt Respawn Film and Gaming Activation. The reason we're doing this is because Oakland is a cultural hub for creativity, and we want to just bring together a lot of the different creative communities together, bring together funders, bring together filmmakers and game studios. We have a vision of whenever a new game comes out, they premiere on our platform. Whenever a film needs to be released and streamed, they premiere on our platform. We are the Media Angels, Media Angel Group Investments, short for MAGI, and God be the glory, and I hope we all have a great time and a very informative fireside chat today.
Welcome everyone. I'm Sergio Togliatti, one of the founders. So I like this idea. Media Angels, we've been collecting for a long time to talk about dialogue. How can investment enter into media? So we are a platform making it positive and safe for investors to come in, and producers frankly need to pay attention to marketing and how their products, going to move from there. So we're that pipeline. We have this opportunity to work with our state treasurer. We feel we're in alignment with, her agenda. Basically, we want to keep Hollywood independent films in California. Think about how much positive we could accomplish for Oakland, San Francisco, San Jose. How much creativity is here, and we're that dialogue. So as an angel group, we're looking to exchange ideas, figure it out, right?
Hello everyone, and Ray, the third Magi here. I'm the sort of strategic side of everything, and taking the raw materials and sort of processing them into something that's usable and can do some work. So what we're striving to do at Magi is really our collective here. We have this really unique network that we've been able to put together, and we're using that to help media projects and companies to use Silicon Valley funding pipelines very similar to how tech companies are. The maturation of the creative economy is happening as we speak, and it's getting to a point where the lines are blurring between creative ventures and business ventures. And so with that transition comes opportunity that Magi is trying to position itself into to be the pipeline, the liaison, if you will, here at Silicon Valley for beginning with LA, Hollywood, productions and companies to liaise with Silicon Valley funders, and then eventually, global, hopefully. So we'll see how we do. But thank you guys all for being here. Hope you have a wonderful time.